I am the claims administrator for our risk management department, and I am the administrator for Riskonnect for our entire company, and I also handle all of the company equipment and property claims and all of our financials and reporting to our corporate office. I came to Saia Motor Freight Line, and they were already using ClearSight, and but we were not using it to its capabilities. The adjusters, everyone that was using it had no clue what ClearSight could truly do. I was able to implement a lot of changes into the system and educate them on things that they were missing out on. Some of the changes that were made in Riskonnect, implemented new fields, changed up the forms to collect better data, utilized some of the tasks, the dashboards. They were not utilizing anything that was available to them. And the reports, we had numerous reports that were created but then not used. We were not distributing any of them. We were not emailing out reports. They would go in and manually, create a report. Our favorite report is the data that we are able to capture. We can create any field that we want to and then implement it. The ease that we have to update the forms and enter in more codes and lookups to have the data exactly what we want to capture. We're able to see exactly what in the field we're doing wrong, as far as to be able to help train our drivers, our employees, where all of our accidents and claims are coming from, and the financial state too, like what kind of accidents are costing us the most. And we have, for numerous reasons, by automating lots of items that, lots of tasks that we were doing in the system, we're able to spend more time reviewing and working our files more efficient, taking away all the manual work that we were doing. It gives us more time to work our claims and get them closed sooner. As far as the reports that made a difference, we just recently implemented our overnight report, where we have overnight safety reps take accidents, and they were manually typing out the claim. And so now they enter it into Riskonnect, and we have a report that generates daily of all the accidents that were entered, with all the key points, the description of accident, the date of time, who was involved, what type of accident it was. So that has helped them for sure, and helped our corporate, where they can quickly look at it in the Excel form, and all the other departments can utilize it as in the Excel form, so yes. We just recently added safety to our platform, and in the near future, we're going to add property. And there's just so many. Every time we implement a new project in Riskonnect, we have a list of more projects down the line. We're going to start capturing data that has, again, been a manual process that we've been entering into our AS400 system. We're going to now have it feed into Riskonnect so we can see all of that data. The keys to implementation, number one is communication. Having everyone on the same platform, letting us know if there's a project that we have to begin, we want to find out what department will be affected by this project. And communicating with every department, so we're capturing all of the correct data, and that will assist every department and not just our department. I love working with Riskonnect. It's fun, it's challenging, especially, and every day I'm learning something new, something that I didn't know existed. Working with Riskonnect is fun, and it's learning all the new items, all the new fields, the data that we can collect, all the different features it has, and every day it's a new beginning almost. I mean, I open up the system and we find new challenges and new ways to resolve them and solutions to come up for our department. The claims journey of issues like we have had in our department is to get a good Riskonnect rep that has patience and is very good at explaining the why, what, when. Riskonnect doesn't just tell us how to do it, they're telling us why to do it and teaching us too. Lots of training material, our rep is very good. And I want to learn and I want to be able to do it myself. And so my two reps help me with that.